Hi, I'm Lana Tolbert from Lianro Metal Roofs, also known as Roof Lady, and I come to you today on a beautiful winter day right before the end of our year 2021. And even though today is beautiful and sunny and calm, we've had some pretty unbelievable weather, especially wind here just recently. And so I just wanted to spend a few minutes and reiterate the benefits of having a stone-coated steel roof, especially in windy conditions. If you've watched any of the news, you've seen that trees crashed through roofs all across Colorado Springs. Buildings got blown around. There was all kinds of damage. Well, if you had a stone-coated steel metal roof installed over the 2x2 battens that was interlocked together and then screwed through the nose of the panel, those trees would have fallen on your roof and not crashed through into the living room, because it creates kind of a series of box beams that will hold and sustain the weight of that tree. The other thing is you wouldn't have what we call friendly shingles, because they're flying up and waving at you and then going bye-bye, because your stone-coated steel roof is fastened through the nose of the panel, so for it to ever blow up it would have to shear the screw or both pieces of tile. So before the next windstorm, and as you're contemplating repairing your damage, maybe check into a stone-coated steel metal roof. If you have any questions, please contact us, and have a very happy new year. So metal up with a Lianro roof.
Get a free roof buyer's protection kit and $347 inspection free instantly at lianro.com.